guys, welcome back to Be Expert. I am your biology teacher is here again with the last part of test paper 2 of NTA mock test, that is starting from question number 61 till 90. So in this video we are going to complete test paper 2 and in the next video we are going to solve the next test paper. So let's start. Question number 61. Valium is an example of. Now we have to tell about Valium. Correct option is option number A, that is benzodiazepines. So if we talk about the term Valium, अब Valium जो है वो एक टाइप का डायजेम्प होते हैं. अब डायजेम्प्स जो होते हैं वो हेल्प करते हैं हमें ट्रीटमेंट, एंजाइटी, एल्कोहल विड्रॉल, इन सब टाइप की डिजीजेज में. सो नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 62. If a colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous for normal color vision, the probability of their son being colorblind is. So for the solution of this question we have to look at the cross. So the cross, we have to cross between a colorblind male and a normal homozygous color vision female. So if we talk about the cross, so when these two combines it results in X and XC, and these two results in X and X. Then when this X molecule combines with Y, chromosome combines with Y, it results in XY, and this X molecule chromosomes combine with Y results in XY. So we can clearly see that all the females are carrier of color blind disease. Now if we look at the male portion, we can clearly see that all the males are not suffering from color blind disease. So the correct option is no son of the female are color blind. Now move to next question, question number 63, that is the net pressure gradient that causes the fluid to filter out from a glomeruli into the capsule is. We have to tell the net pressure gradient, and the net pressure gradient for this is 10 mm Hg, that is option number C. Now move to next question, question number 64. Find the incorrect pair. So we have to tell the incorrect pair. The correct option of this question is question number D, that is whale aminotelic. Now if we talk about the word aminotelic, अब aminotelic present होता है frogs में at tadpole stage, और हम बात कर सकते हैं earthworm में when sufficient water is present. So move to next question, that is question number 65. When environmental conditions are favorable, then population growth curve will be. जब environment में सारी conditions favorable होती हैं तो population growth की जो curve बनती है वो बनती है J shaped. Now move to next question. Question number 66 says which bacteria are utilized in the biogas plant. So we have to tell the bacteria which is used in biogas plant. हम सबको पता है कि जो बैक्टीरिया मिथेनोजन होता है वो हमारे बायोगैस प्लांट में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. एरिथ्रोपोइसिस में बी स्टिमुलेटेड बाय डिफिशिएंसी ऑफ. हमें बताना है कि किस एलिमेंट की डिफिशिएंसी से एरिथ्रोपोइसिस होती है. नाउ लुक एट द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ the main term of the question is erythropoiesis. Now if we talk about the production of RBCs, in the production of RBCs which element plays an important role? It is oxygen. Now if the oxygen content decreases, so erythropoiesis is going to occur. Now move to next question, that is question number 68. Apomixis is a type of reproduction that results in the development of an. Now we have to tell about apomixis here. So the word apomixis is a type of asexual reproduction which mimics sexual reproduction. So, as a result of apomixis, we are going to have seeds but without fertilization. Or gamete fusion. Now move to next question, question number 69. Question number 69 says, which of the following statement is correct? We have to tell about the correct statement. So the correct option is option number C, that is yeast using in making bread and beer is a fungus. Now move to next question, question number 70. The largest number of neurons are found in. Now let us talk about the correct answer, that is A, brain. The largest number of neurons are present in brain, and if we talk about the type of neuron, the first type of neuron is unipolar, is present in brain, dipolar and multipolar. So all the three types of neurons are present in the brain, and the largest number of neurons are also present in the brain. Now move to next question, question number 71. The absorption of water by a hydrophilic compound like cellulose and pectin in root hair cell wall is called. The correct option is imbibition. Now when we talk about imbibition में क्या होता है, water का uptake होता है from the cellulose or a pectin compound present in the cell wall. Now move to next question, that is question number 72. Question number 72 says, plasmodesmata are cytoplasmic bridges between adjacent plant cell lined by dash and often have desmotubules. Now the correct option of this question is B, that is plasma membrane, and the complete statement will be plasmodesmata are cytoplasmic bridges between adjacent plant cell lined by plasma membrane and often have desmotubules. Now move to next question, question number 73. Which one of the following phenomena supports Darwin's concept of natural selection in organic evolution? The correct option is option number C, that is prevalence of pesticide resistant insect. Now if we look at the concept, इसमें क्या होता है कि when we use DDT, ओके हम स्प्रे करते हैं उन्हें मॉस्किटोज पर, और उसमें से कुछ मॉस्किटोज जो ऑलरेडी DDT से रेजिस्टेंट होते हैं वो लोग सर्वाइव कर जाते हैं एंड रेस्ट विल डाई. अब जो बचे हुए हैं वो रिप्रोड्यूस होंगे एंड दे आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ DDT रेजिस्टेंस मॉस्किटो. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 74. ऑन द बेसिस one of the most important function of botanical garden is. Now if we look at the term botanical garden is an example of acute conservation, where we are going to place the endangered species of plants in an environment which is favorable for their growth but not a natural environment. So the correct option of this question is B, that is they allow acute conservation of germplasm. Now move to next question, question number 675 says hemocoel is found in. So the correct option is cockroach and scorpion, that is C. Now move to next question, question number 76. With the disintegration of corpus luteum, a decrease in the secretion of dash hormone. So the correct option is progesterone, because progesterone is released by corpus luteum, and progesterone plays an important role in maintaining the internal, that is endometrium lining of the uterus. Now move to next question, question number 77. Find out the odd one with respect to the function of an ecosystem. Now look at the explanation. Now question number 74 give us 4 options: nutrition cycle, energy flow, decomposition and stratification. If we talk about the first 3, these are the function of ecosystem. But if we talk about stratification along with species composition, these 2 are factors of ecosystem. Okay, so the option D which is correct for this question. Now move to next question. Question number 78. The DNA molecule to which the gene of interest is integrated from cloning is called. The option A, that is vector, is correct. Now move to next question. Question number 79. In the tissue, high concentration of carbon dioxide. We have to tell when in a tissue the concentration of carbon dioxide is increased, तो क्या होगा? हीमोग्लोबिन की एफिनिटी हो जाएगी रिड्यूस ऑक्सीजन के लिए और उस हीमोग्लोबिन की एफिनिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी हाइड्रोजन के लिए. ओके, सो इफ द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ CO2 increases in the blood, so option C, that is decrease in affinity of hemoglobin to oxygen but increase in affinity of hemoglobin to hydrogen. Now move to next question, that is question number 80. In the C4 pathway, we have to tell about the C4 pathway. So the correct option is C, that is Kranz anatomy. अब हम ट्रांस एनाटॉमी की बात करें तो उसमें क्या होता है, जो मीजोफिल सेल्स होते हैं उसमें स्मॉल क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जबकि जो बंडल शीट सेल होते हैं वहां पे लार्ज एंगुलर क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज ट्रांस एनाटॉमी occurs where mesophyll have small chloroplast whereas bundle sheath have large angular chloroplast. Now move to next question, question number 81. Question number 81 says chlorophyll is, option A is correct, that is soluble in organic solvent. Now if we talk about the organic solvent in which chlorophyll is soluble, we can take an example of alcohol and acetone, etc, etc. Now move to next question, question number 82. Question number 82 says cut piece of Bryophyllum leaf when put in wet soil produces a new plant. This phenomena is called. So if we are going to cut a piece of Bryophyllum leaves and we are going to bury it in a moist soil, उससे क्या होगा, एक न्यू प्लांट की फॉर्मेशन होगी. हमें बताना है ये न्यू प्लांट किस फिनोमिना से अकर हुआ. सो द फिनोमिना इज वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. क्वेश्चन नंबर 83 इज इनोमिनेट इज अ, हमें पता है इनोमिनेट एक skeleton का पार्ट होता है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ skeleton. Now move to question number 84. Examples of areas where secondary successions occurs are. So the correct option for this question is B, that is burned or cut forest lands that have been flooded. Now if we talk about secondary succession वहाँ पे होता है जहाँ पे पहले कभी भी कोई भी टाइप की लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती थी इन फॉर्म ऑफ प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. सो मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. द नेगेटिव ओपेरोन, हमें बताना है नेगेटिव ओपेरोन के बारे में एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज व्हेन इंड्यूसर बाइंड्स टू द रिप्रेसर. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 says choose the correct match with respect to drugs, its sources and its action. So the correct option is option number C. The drug name is heroin and the source of heroin is acetylation of morphine, and The drug heroin is used in reducing the pain. So move to next question. Question number 87. Which one of the following represents a palindromic sequence in DNA? For this answer, let us look at the options first. Now we talk about palindromic sequence. तो palindromic sequence वो sequence होते हैं जिसमें अगर हम किसी भी एक sequence को 5 prime to 3 prime पढ़े या फिर 3 prime to 5 prime पढ़े वो same होंगी. So the correct option of this question is option number 8, that is it is a palindromic sequence. Let us pronounce GAATTC and CTTAAG. So it is the correct sequence. Now move to the next question, that is question number 88. Wings of the bats, clots and pigeons are an example of. We have to tell the example. So the correct option is analogous organs, because wings होते हैं जो bats, pigeons के, वो सारे analogous organs होते हैं. Now move to next question. Question number 89. Question number 89 says differentiation of shoot is controlled by. So the correct option is option number C, that is high cytokinin and auxin ratio. Okay, but if we talk about high auxin and cytokinin ratio, it is responsible for the formation of root. Now move to last question of today, that is question number 90. The method of sterilization is, हमें बताना है एक ऐसा मेथड जिसे कि स्टेरिलाइजेशन होती है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज ट्यूबेटोनॉमी. सो here we have end all the 90 questions of test paper 2. So guys, here we have end the test paper number 2, that is test 2, and we have done all the 90 questions of test paper 2. So I hope that you people like my explanation, my way of teaching, and if you like it, then don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Be Expert. Thank you.